we are spiritual. We're very spiritual beings. And metaphysics covers what is beyond the physical. So in answering a lot of the questions that we have that are unanswered about ourselves, metaphysics and being a metaphysical practitioner would cover a lot of that. And we need to look at that as a practice. We need to practice that we are spiritual beings. And we need something that helps us along those lines to help us practice the things we need to practice to become more spiritual. So I think that's probably the reason why I got involved in all things metaphysics, because it helps our being, it helps us spiritually, it helps us with our health, it helps us in our life and our lifestyles, and how we can become better people. So there are a lot of things that are unanswered in our physical life. So to work in metaphysics is beyond that, and to understand that we are spiritual beings and we need to practice and work with that part of our beings to make our lives a little better. And so we need to take a look at certain things that are spiritual in essence, because that's what we are. In our essence, we are very spiritual. In Hinduism, there's a lot of beliefs that we incarnate over and over and over in our lifetimes. And one of the sayings in the Gita was that if we practice being spiritual, we practice being pious, which was probably the word that they used, and religious, is that every lifetime gets better along those lines. And what happens is you remember. You remember what you did last time. So automatically you become, that essence inside you will automatically gravitate towards that spiritual essence. And even though that you don't understand why you're going towards that, you will automatically drive towards that, because in your past lives you have done and gone towards and worked towards those things. And as you incarnate into your next lifetime, you bring that with you, which is quite fascinating.